Hello, class 7. In this class, we are going to start the new chapter perimeter and area. Before going to understand perimeter and area, first we have to understand about plane figures and their types. So, take a look at this. Students, our chapter is perimeter and area, but we are going to understand today first plane figures. First of all, we have to talk about plane. What is a plane? A plane is a flat surface which extended infinitely in length and breadth. It means a plane is a flat surface which has two dimensions, that is length and breadth, and it is extended infinitely in all directions. Here the examples are a sheet of paper. You can see this sheet of paper is a plane. This tabletop is a plane. A blackboard is a plane surface. Now we have to talk about plane figure. A figure lying in a plane is called a plane figure. Remember, on the blackboard we can draw a rectangle, square, triangle, circle, etc. These type of figures are called plane figures because they can draw in the plane or plane surface. Now we have to talk about curve. What is a curve? A path traced by a point in a plane is called a curve. Suppose this is a point. When we draw this type of thing, starting from here to here, and ultimately on this point, then it is a curve. If we draw like that, this is also a curve. If we draw, this is also a curve. If we draw so, this is also a curve. Okay. Now we have to talk about closed curve. As the word says closed, it means a curve which is closed and have no end point is called a curve. For example, this is a closed curve because there is not any end point. This is also a closed curve because there is not any end point. But this is not a closed curve. These are the closed curve, but this is not a closed curve because they have some endpoints. These are open curves, which is written here. A curve which is not closed and have endpoints is called an open curve. These are open curves and these are closed curves. Okay. Now we have to talk about simple curve. A curve is called a simple curve if it does not cross itself. So here you can see a triangle which is a simple curve because this curve does not cross itself. But here you can see a curve in which the path traced by this point is crossed itself here. So it is not a simple curve. Now we have to talk about rectilinear figure. A rectilinear figure. A plane figure is called a rectilinear if it is made up of line segments only. Only line segments are there. In a curve, the curve made from line segment, a simple curve, or both, but rectilinear figures are formed by only line segments. You can see here, this is a pentagon, and this pentagon is made up of only line segments. This is also a triangle. This is a triangle, and this triangle is made up of line segments. But this is a circle. This is just a curve, closed curve, but it is not formed by only a line segment. It has some curve also, different types of curve also. So these are rectilinear figures, but these are non-rectilinear figures. Now, plane region. A part of plane enclosed by a simple curve figure is called plane region. You can see here, this is a rectangle, this is a rectangle, and this region enclosed by this rectangle, but the rectangle and the region enclosed both form plane region. In this figure, rectangle plus region enclosed together is called plane region. Here the circle and the region enclosed together is called plane region. Here this polygon and the region enclosed together is called plane region. But now we are talking about area. The magnitude of the region enclosed by a closed plane figure is called its area. You can see this figure, the region enclosed, when we are talking about only a region enclosed, then this is area. But region enclosed and rectangle together is called rectangular region. Region enclosed by this rectangle and rectangle also together called rectangular region. But the region enclosed by the rectangle, it means the inner part is only called area of this rectangle. It is always in a square unit like centimeter square, meter square, etc. Now perimeter. The length of boundary of a closed plane figure is called its perimeter. It is always in unit. You can see here this plane figure, and In this plane figure, this is a rectangle. This is 20 centimeter, 20 centimeter opposite side, and these are the length 25 centimeter. These are the breadth 20 centimeter. Now the area of rectangle is L into B, that is length into breadth. So 25 centimeter into 20 centimeter, that is 500 centimeter square. This is the unit of area in square unit. Now if we are talking about perimeter of the rectangle, perimeter means the length of boundary. Just measure 25 plus 20 plus 25 plus 20. 2 times 20, 2 times 25, 2 times 20. It means 2 times length, 2 times breadth. It means 2L plus 2B, that is 2 into L plus B. So perimeter of given rectangle equals 2 into L plus B. 2 into L is 25, B is 20, that is 45, and 2 into 45 centimeter is 90 centimeter. So the length of boundary is 90 centimeter, and the area enclosed is 500 centimeter square. Listen, one more thing, special thing, that is 10,000 meter square area is called 1 hectare area. I hope students you now understand about the plane figures, different types of curves, and the area of rectangle and perimeter of a rectangle. You can also watch me on my YouTube channel, Ocean of Maths. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.